In our homeschool experience, we meet amazing creative families, and one of them brought kimchi deviled eggs to a homeschool presentation. They were tasty, and I was inspired to make them. I've been a purist regarding deviled eggs, and I've only had them a couple ways that I enjoy. Almost as much as the OGs I've been making since I was little at my mom's side in the kitchen. I always have kimchi and Korean spices in the pantry, so I knew I could create this recipe. I used my Instant Pot for the perfect hard-boiled eggs. After an ice bath, cut the eggs in half, put the yolks in a plastic bag. You mash them up with some mayonnaise and finely chopped kimchi, and then add a little gochugaru and kimchi juice. Mix until the perfect consistency, cut a hole in the bag, squirt into the egg white halves, and garnish. You should make this, okay? One of my daughter's friends made these. I didn't ask for the recipe. I just decided I was gonna figure it out on my own. We're gonna do a taste test now. It's not too spicy. This is really good. Our little fusion deviled egg. You should make some of this for Easter. Let's eat.